Bagaman bumaba ang bilang ng mahihirap base sa tala ng gobyerno, di raw nito nabibilang ang totoong mahihirap sa bansa.
Worldwide, more than 1 billion young people are affected by poverty, which denies them to access to basic needs, education, and the opportunity to live in a clean and safe environment. Poverty is a cycle that's hard to break. It's a cycle of limited opportunities. It is not just about lack of money. It's about lack of access to basic needs like food, water, and electricity. It's about living in a constant state of uncertainty where the next meal is never guaranteed. By understanding the complexities of poverty, we can work together to create sustainable solutions. Let's empower the young generations in our country and around the world to break the cycle of poverty and build a brighter future.
Education is a crucial component in the fight against poverty, as no one can take your education away from you.